To create a custom shaker, start by finding a shape to use within Cricut Access. I chose a simple silhouette shape. Insert the image into Cricut Design Space canvas and resize as needed. If grouped together, ungroup the design. Select the shape you want to become a shaker and click the Offset tool. Set the distance to 0.15 and use rounded corners. Click Apply to create an offset layer. With the offset layer created, highlight the whole design and click Slice to create an outline. This outline will be used as the walls of the shaker. Separate out the slice results and keep the outline. Duplicate the outline shape. Next, use the contour tool to hide all contours and change the color to contrast with the outline shape. This shape will be cut from clear plastic acetate for the shaker. Duplicate the acetate layer so you end up with 2 acetate shapes and 1 outline for adhesive foam. Once the project is ready, send to the Cricut machine. For the outline, on the Set Base Material screen, browse All Materials for craft foam. Choose craft foam with more pressure. If you have a Cricut Maker and the knife blade, edit tools to switch to the knife blade. The knife blade makes the best results. Be sure to switch your Cricut blade before starting the cut. For craft foam, move the white guide wheels out of the way. The guide wheels will leave indents on the craft foam. Once done with the craft foam cuts, go ahead and cut the acetate shapes using the fine point blade and use a standard grip mat. For the cut settings, browse All Materials to locate the acetate material setting. With all the materials cut, start with creating the shaker pocket. Keep the adhesive, craft foam, and the cutout together and put face down on a Cricut mat. Peel off the backing of the outline only and apply the acetate. This is my secret to maintain the perfect shape of your adhesive foam. Add your favorite chunky glitter or confetti to the shaker pocket. Next, grab glue with a precision tip and add a very thin line all around the edge of the craft foam. Apply the other acetate shape to seal the shaker pocket. Once the shaker pocket is dry, or nearly dry, add the cardstock as a finishing touch. This will cover up any imperfections and overall provide a nice finished look. Once your custom shaker is complete, you can glue it to a card, cake topper, gift tag, or use as an ornament.